Hi, today we are going to see how to use Google Image Search. First open your browser, then search for images.google.com. This interface will be visible in your screen. You will see Google Images here. Here is the icon that you can use for search by image. Click on Search by Image for using Google Image Search. Here you can paste image URL of any images. This will find you the similar type of image that available in Google. For a demo purpose, I copy this image link and I will paste it there. Then after pasting, I will search by image. Now see, here is the similar type of images that I searched. You can also search image by uploading an image. For uploading image, click on Choose File. Now select your file and click on Open. Now here is the visually similar images. I searched a burger photo and the similar type of image is here, showing by Google. This is how you can use Google Images. If you find this video helpful, please like the video and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.